Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. So when will the iPhone 14 be released? Apple rarely announces the dates for such events more than a couple of weeks in advance, so it is always a source of discussion and debate. The latest internet rumors claims that the new iPhones will be unveiled at the Apple event a week earlier than previously expected. According to tipper Max Weinbach, Apple may unveil the iPhone 14 on September 6th. Weinbach's sources also claim that the iPhone 14 will be released on September 16th, the day it would go on sale. However, we are skeptical of this rumor for a few reasons. Apple typically holds iPhone launch events on the second Tuesday of September, so the iPhone 14 lineup would be revealed on September 13. There have already been a few rumors pointing to this date. Pre-orders usually begin that Friday, September 16th, and go on sale a week later on the September 23rd. However, if what Weinbach claims is true and he admits he is not 100% sure, then Apple would be advancing its usual schedule by a week. It is worth noting that the Labor Day is on September 5th. Launching on the iPhone 14 line the next day and forcing attendees to travel to the event on a holiday would not go down well with Apple. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is already filming the event's video presentation. However, it is unclear whether this means that the event will be entirely virtual or a physical event with video presentations. There have been reports of supply chain issues affecting the iPhone 14 production, especially with display and camera lens components. Apple's recent earnings call indicated that the iPhone 14 is still on track to launch on time. So if the rumors are true, the fact that the phone could arrive sooner than expected could support this. After all, Apple is not immune to supply chain disruptions. It had to postpone the iPhone 12 launch by a month and stagger the release of the four models. According to rumors, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max may not receive the same upgrades as the two Pro models. According to another rumor, a new A16 Bionic chip will be exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, with regular iPhones receiving the same A15 Bionic chip as the iPhone 13. In fact, it could be the biggest differences in years between the new iPhone and iPhone Pro models. This includes a notch-free design for the iPhone 14 Pros, a new 48-megapixel camera, and an always-on display. But there's still some reasons that the iPhone 14 could hold its own against the iPhone 14 Pro, and the new iPhone 14 Max model could give shoppers a big screen for a relatively affordable price. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more